back to my channel. So today you guys are going to see me doing my eyeshadow and this cool lip stuff. Honestly, I was trying to go for an ombre effect, but it didn't work out, so I decided to just like do this. I just wanted to do something different, you know, with the lips or something with like makeup related. So yeah, I did this. Okay, so let me stop blabbing and let's head on into the video. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, I am going to be using Unity out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyes, lids, very, very fast, as you can see. And so yeah, that's like all I'm really doing for right now. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Pure from the Too Faced Peach palette. Now I'm going to be using Lure from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Now I'm going to be applying Eden from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette as well. And now I'm going to also apply to my eyelids the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I still don't really know the color to it, but it looks kind of like a purple, I think. Yeah, purple. Yeah.
Say which one I say now. I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. My skin is dripping.
Now I'm gonna be using Drippin' Diamonds from the Chocolate Gold Melted palette from Too Faced. I don't really know the name. Correct me down in the comments on that one.
I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. She thinks, just try it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. My receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way it be setting the tone for me. I don't get brave, but I be like, put it in the bag. When you see the max, they that good, like my deal.
I'm going to be using the L'Oreal lip liner in color, I don't know.
When you see the max, they that good, like my deal. These be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't money, then wrong number.
Now I'm going to be applying Romantic Bear Matte and then color Faded into like the little spaces that I left in between. So that was my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to leave a like. And do not also forget to press the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, not really. You guys know I'm a brand ambassador of SandCloud and Sunglass Galleria. My bad. So my bracelets, they just came in the mail today. So this one, like, it says love. Hold on, let me try to show you. It says love. It's upside down. Of course it's upside down. It says love. No, I'm trying to make it unblurry, which is not going to happen. And then it came with this one. It's like a little, kind of looked like minerals at first, but they're just diamonds forward and backwards. And then it came with this little turtle thingy, which is so cute. And then I have this one. It's like, I'm sure to see if I can, like that. And it comes with like a little heart on it. I'm like really bad at showing these things. And then there was one more right here. Hold on. Just wearing it on this one. And it's the earth. And use my code SAVE25 to, save 25% off your purchase. Tell your friends, tell everybody, and go follow the Sunglass Galleria on Instagram. The link will be in my description box down below. And have a great day, night, whenever it is for when you're watching this video. And bye-bye.